I've got open one of Animate's preview files. It's a nice little walk cycle like this. And I want to do a quick tip video about keyframes on the actual timeline. If we go over to the right side, you'll notice that in Flash and Animate for quite a long time, you can adjust the sort of width and a few preferences around the keyframe. So this isn't really a new feature, but it can be handy. What I want to talk about is actually further to the right is a button here that's not actually very well known. It's quite hidden away, but this does have some great preferences in of itself. So if we open it up, you can check out how the actual keyframes are displayed. So it's on standard. If I go to preview, you'll see that actually it creates this amazing insight into displaying what actual keyframe is on each keyframe that's actually in the stage. So this can be amazing if you're actually animating a lot of different layers. Like on this one, there are a fair few layers. So even though you could just name all the layers, that might help. But this actually shows you straight away the context of where the keyframes are in the actual stage. So this is hugely helpful when doing complicated bits of animation. What you can also do is you can do preview in context. All this does is it shows the actual scale within the context of the whole frame as well. I would say that this is probably not as handy, but it is a cool feature to actually see the size of the objects in each layer as well. But I would say if you're going to use this feature that the actual preview version is good because it scales it up so you can actually tell what is what. I hope you found this video useful. As always, please let me know if you have any comments or questions. And if you want to subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll see you all in the next video.